Okay. Sorry, I just wanted to like quickly clear that initial stream scuff for just a hot second there. Um, we'll be playing some more in other waters. There's a good chance I may get called halfway between the game right now, so hopefully not. I'm trying to mute myself really quickly. Um, I have my tea, I have no snacks, so we're just going in blind and we're doing it again. I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do in this playthrough currently. Might check back this area here. Rift exposed stalks to predators and currents, making spots like this ideal places to gather signal stock tissue samples. Because apparently there's something I'm missing here, but I feel like there's definitely more that I need to grab. Oh my gosh, I almost started typing in Greek. Instead of getting a call, I got a text message about tonight. I'm trying to figure out if that's what I want to do. Is to do this initial one that I'm still not really sure what we're doing here. To pick up the signal stocks. Like, I think we definitely need the explosives, the shrill sacks, and we definitely need the growth stuff. According to the map, though, I wasn't quite sure. I wasn't quite sure how we're gonna get there. Oh. Thank you, Stream Elements, for waking up. Yeah, okay. Still got Minai's suit. Okay, can't go that way. Can't go forward. Can't go under it. Gotta go around. I wanna go there. Like, there's definitely a point over there. The slowest moving researcher. Sampling available. Ah. No! Oh, am I stuck here? No, I just needed to remember how to get out of this. Oh god. Okay, I have to blast that open. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Sampling. a lot of investigating here. I have a single brain cell working today. Rift Edge. Calm Canyon, little streams of sandpipe through gaps in the rocks here, driven deep into the cracks by the current of the north. Where? A large boulder. Stock scraper. Strong current. Oh, we need our oxygen then. Maybe I can do this? No. There it is. What the? Canopy growth. Ribbed growth found entwined in stalk canopies. Well, my job here is done. But you didn't do anything. This is our oxygen. It's not bad. I'm gonna... some more in boulders. Sandy passage. Soft pale drifts. Ooh, fungal. Cluster of creatures sampled from the interior of a stalk. Guess we can just keep going. If they can be navigated, we can cross here. We can. So we are jet propelled. Time to unblock my oxygen. Now we can move. Narrow gully. Oh, now we're back here. Well, I guess we can go back now, since we have some of the extra stuff that we were analyzing completed. Well, retrieved, not completed. We still have stuff to explore here, but I think we just need to do our sample analysis first. Oh wait, I already have these collected. Lab analysis complete. String stock taxonomy updated. Sampled from interiors of the stalks. Ribbed growth found. Table stock. Can you analyze this? Well, I guess we'll discover more. Theories. Attempts to analyze the interior of a sing stalk reveals many different organisms within the stalk which are not genetically related to it in any way. Seems that the sing stalks are actually tubular gardens which host juvenile fungal creatures. The swaying of the stalks keep these sealed environments fed with filtered water and microbial life, while allowing their spores to be distributed across the reef. However, I haven't found a single example of any of these life forms growing outside of a sing stalk, suggesting that they can only survive within these carefully controlled tube gardens and that the spores they release are being used by the stalks for other purposes. Are these vertical farms designed to cultivate other species that might feed the rest of the stalks with showers of nutrient-rich spores? Oh, we need more. I need more data. Theories. Oh, we're done with the table stalk. Laboratory studies of the growths found in the upper canopy reveals that they contain genetic material of tens of different species. These growths hold within their round casing seeds of many species local to the table stalks, as well as spores for the reproduction of the stalk colonies themselves. Fed by carefully maintained flow of correct minerals and chemicals, these seeds and spores are preserved by the stalks, kept viable for long periods. Could these seed banks be complex examples of collectives? What is that word? Serotonin? On Earth, some plants hold viable seeds until an environmental trigger, such as wildlife disease, causing their release. Perhaps the stalks are preserving a local ecology in case of environmental disaster. Are they the guardians of this reef? Kind of like catalpa seeds. So that's the reef stalk. Color and type variations within entwined stalks. The canopy. 8 to 12 meters. That is a big boy. That's pretty big. All things considered. Still gotta find more of these guys. Ellery, do you have anything to say? Anything on your mind? No? No, she's got nothing. Okay. She's got nothing on her mind. She's just like, nope, we're big chilling here. Signal stalk tissue. Expose stalks to predators and currents, making spots like this ideal places to gather signal stalk tissue samples. Well, we're gonna try to find some stuff. It's kind of south of us. I do want to find more. Definitely not going the right way, I think. We're just gonna big chill. Alright, we're picking up the shrill sack. Get over here. I do want to go south, so... stock. More shrill sacks. Oh, we're full. Okay, it's fine. Okay, well, I guess I can just blast it. Just pick it up as we go. Oh yeah, I forgot about that one. Oh no, I absolutely cannot. We might be able to. This will take us down. I mean, I guess we can do that. I want to go that way, though. I don't want to go back this way. I want to go that way. It's like, whoa, I see all these things I want to go to. But we can't go there yet. I guess we'll just make our way over. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, there is a clearing here. Clouded shell. It's an animal. Maybe I can just. Maybe we can just take a gander. Bullet Griffin, why? Hello, thank you for the follow. I'm sorry, I am mildly dyslexic on my other monitor. Compatibly. Sorry if I messed that up. Okay. Sandy clearing. We made it through. Okay, interesting. Make our way over this way. I don't have anything else to block through. We're gonna take these samples back. Very carefully. Oh, shoot. Is there a shrill sack nearby? Please be a shrill sack. I could use it right now. Okay. We're kind of okay. We're kind of safe now. Can actually wander back here. Grab the last one. Can't have too many of these. It's never a bad thing to have. I see the waypoint in this top corner here. I hope these waypoints don't like disappear after a bit because it's been like way too long and your life support goes down. That's being... I just want to make sure I'm like... I've got stuff. Sampled. Okay, we have 2 of these. Many of these. I actually need that though. Alright, we're gonna analyze this too. Stock scraper. I still wanna do this, but it's giving us nothing yet. Taxonomy. Oh, we already did that. That's goofy. Jointed shells. Chemical analysis of a stock scraper shell confirms that not only are they made from stock membrane materials, their distinctive cloudy coloration comes from stalks too. Stock coloration, like most fungal coloration, is reflective of the local water acidity and the medium the fungus grows in. This variance of amber, orange, yellow, and even green pigments is passed directly to the scraper shells when consumed, resulting in beautiful whorls and blorbs of color. The scraper shell is a living record of every stock colony it has fed on, and therefore a marker of territory and social standing. Scraper shells could be used to help study the entire reef and its shifting ecosystem, each one a chemical map of the local history, readable for those who can learn the significance of its forms. Curious. Which, it's kind of interesting. Do you have anything to say? No. She's just big chillin'. We're definitely gonna need... Maybe I'd have to go here. Go under and over. I wonder if that's how I'm gonna get through. Oh man, this map is a lot bigger than I thought. We're still missing stuff down here, so maybe... Yeah, why not? We'll go this way. We'll go this way. Maybe if I go this way instead. Heck yeah, shrill sack. Okay, we've got more shrill sacks. We're kind of good. Where are those stock scrapers? Okay, we could go this way. More of the stock spores. Like constantly having to like double check everything. Okay, we've certainly gone this way previously. More sing stocks. Stock bark. It's blocked us off there. I think this will connect us down below. Yeah. To like the other side of the reef. Man, I love shrill sacks. Super tasty. I mean, I probably wouldn't eat them. probably would be disgusting. Especially because considering that it's like, it explodes everything around you. So you're kind of like, maybe I shouldn't eat that. As tempting as it kind of is to think about. Like, oh, yes. I love tasty fungi that are very explosive. I think we're now on the other end. We'll pick up another shrill sack. Why not? After all, why not? Why shouldn't I have more shrill sacks? See if there's anything else here that I may have missed. I think this is where I was last time, I think. I think I went in a big old circle. Which is fine, because I did go in a big old circle. And see, now that we have propulsion, we can actually do this. Rushing waves. Now that we're here, I should grab this sample. Oh, I'm full. Grill of a... I read that as grilled. Section of a gill cap tissue with from a sporing stalk. Okay. Man, the moment that you actually get like a lot of other things, you're like, wow, I can actually go so far now. I can travel to places. I can see the things that I missed. And I think that's kind of nice about like the slow, gentle exploration of this game, is that once certain things get unlocked for you, it's a little bit easier to navigate the general system. Okay, it's a stalk spore. Yeah, this takes us like right back to the other island area. The other reef. Which is kind of cool. I doubt that there's nothing beyond this point. I doubt that. It's like, well, there's nothing here. Why can't I go all the way here? I can see that there's stuff here. Maybe I'll get like a better radar, is my guess. Maybe once they give me a better radar, we'll just chill. They sound like the things in Destiny. Oh, cloud surfers. Basically ghosts, but they're just like space fish. Big chilling. The forest path. Stock passage. Ah, yes. More shrill sax. Okay. Well, that's fine because I can actually explode that. Oh. I was like, why wasn't that? Oh, wait. Did I? Did I lose a thing I wasn't supposed to? Oh, I have this. Oh, we're running out of power. Well, we're almost at the waypoint, so I'm not like too worried. But oh no. I'm kind of concerned now. Did I just like yeet something I wasn't supposed to? Uh-oh. We'll find out. We'll find out. Oh no. I hope I didn't just like yeet one of the things I was like, ooh, I need that. Taxonomy. Ooh. Analysis of reef cap tissues show that the reef caps maintain a bacterial symbiont within a series of internal chambers, which, while unique to Galease 667cc, resembles found in the stomachs of terrestrial sturgeonfish. It helps them break down algae. You can see I'm just like, yeah, I cannot read that. The reef cap's bacteria seems to do the same, with traces of algae-like growths found in the cap chambers. Where is the algae coming from? However, the caps receive it. This algae is allowing the caps to grow bacterial colonies, which then reduce themselves to endospores, where the algae is digested. These endospores are then released to the stalks of the local area to renew the strength of the colonies. It's a recycling system. Hello, Gigi. Hi. The child craves the pets. Yes. Do you need me to pull up? What do you need? Ugh. I'm just gonna keep her on my desk. Okay, well, we definitely found the thing that was here. Hi. Oh, I think we need to go back, maybe. Hi. I think that's what happened, is I accidentally got rid of that sample. Oh no, that's that weird entrance, I think. Wilmore was like, huh, that's weird that I can't cross to there. Is it? Hi. She wants cuddles, and my desk is not that big. If you end the stream, I'm going to be so upset with you. Please don't walk any further up. Don't touch the keyboard. I think I have to go this way. Hold on. She really wants cuddles right now. She's like, you're streaming and I wish for cuddles. Bonking her head on my hand. Life is so hard. Being a cat is so hard. Isn't it? Forgot how I got there anyways. Oh. Hi, Gigi. It's not easy. She's like smashing her face into my hand. Ah. Oh my gosh, Gigi. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the follow, Primary Surface. This game is actually a lot harder when my cat is like bonking her face against my mouse. She's also watching the screen too. Bright pollen. I don't think we need that. I've got her kind of distracted for a bit. I think we do have to go this way again. I have a feeling. Because I think I goofed up here and I now have to go back. I don't... Was it here? Do I need this? Maybe. Or we're gonna go back this way. Explosion. Go back. Trillsack, my beloved. Useful in these times of need. Oh. You know what? Just to be safe, we're picking up another one of these. Okay. Looks like sushi. Stock segment. A segment of tissue from a bubble producing stock. Alright. Activate the oxygen. And now we can go this way. Gigi is like attentively watching me do this. Alright. Will do. Just in case we're gonna pick this up again. We're gonna use the shrill sack. Maybe we'll just cut across here again. Wait, does that take us down? It does. I've definitely been this way though. So I've gone here before. I don't know what it is about some games. Gigi really enjoys them. So that leads to back up. This will take us around, if I remember correctly. Please do not touch that child. She's being dangerous. What are you doing? Are you touching the grandpa? The Vesper Noir charm. Oh yes, I was right. It does take you right back through. Not now, sample. I've got samples to give. Things to do. Alright, we're putting in the sushi. What else do we have? This thing. That thing. Signal stock complete. Okay. Chemical analysis of a single stock tissue sample has confirmed the presence of a yeast-like fungus and large amounts of ethanol saturated in the tissue itself. This prompts a rethink of why many creatures target the hard-to-get signal stock as a foodstuff. While I initially theorized it was due to their role as protectors or stock colonies, the significant presence of ethanol in signal stock tissue means most creatures would feel the effects of the alcohol consumed and may get buzzed from grazing on signal stalks. This in moderation would be favorable, even enjoyable effect for the creatures, leading them to repeatedly target signal stalks. If I remain stranded on Jalise 667cc for long enough, I may need to make sure to use this particular biological property myself. That's kind of funny. Shrill sack catch. Released. Upper section. Sensory growth. Oh, so like while I was sitting here all, oh yeah, like I wonder, maybe it's probably not a good thing to consume these because, oh no, they explode. Turns out it's just alcohol, so you, in theory, would just get drunk if you ate this. You would just get drunk if you ate enough of them. Don't know if I would recommend that. Did that change? I feel like it did. Okay, so we've got everything from the East Reef. We still have the Central Reef. And I still have that waypoint that's in the toxic fumes. I kind of don't want to go there. Not quite yet. Because we only have 3 shrill sags. Part of me is like, wow, maybe if I just toss this in the toxic place, would it just chill? I think that's the really deep reef that we were at previously. So there's got to be a way to get through there. Maybe? Unless we just keep going down and this way. Or is there a way around it here? I don't think there's a way around all this. If I remember, there was like nothing here that I could scan to. And we started here. So there's something I definitely missed. If I go due south. Straight south. Don't know if it'll work. Don't know if it'll happen. So from the waypoint, if I essentially go south, I should reach that last little bit of information. If the big thing is the if part. I guess on this I could have gone that way, but maybe I can. Unless it's really like, nope, you're gonna have to go discover the shady stuff in the really spooky, explosive area. Which I've been kind of avoiding for a while now, because I don't want to preemptively go in it and go through that death again. Because that was a little silly. There should be a thing there. In theory. Are there shrill sacks here? Yes. Let's see if there's anything here. The more I can grab, the better. I'll go this way. We're not exactly going the south I wanted to go. Maybe this is how we can get there? I've definitely been this way previously. For all your shrill sack needs. Hello! Thank you for the follow. Inept Marmalade Zero. I am going to be honest with you. Nope. I'm going to say absolutely not. If you've... I don't think you read the channel, the chat settings. So... I'm gonna be honest. That's a hard no from me. Oh god. Of course when my mods aren't here. Oh my god. Of course. Just hang tight while I do this. I don't... No. Please do not promote third-party stuff in my chat. It's more of a lovely boundary I'm going to be setting, but please try not to promote yourself either, unless, you know, it's been asked, or unless we were talking about it. But unless, soliciting is not advisable in my chat. I hope we can all understand that. And as a result, you will be timed out. So, I hope you can understand that as we don't accept people soliciting. If you're gonna do that, please do that on your own channel. That being said, I'll go this way. I think there was something up that way I could still technically go see. I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go try and check that out. Oh, actually, I don't think I have enough propulsion for that area. There's a thing that's there, but I don't have enough juice to get there. I don't think I could explode that area if I wanted to. I think we're just going back in circles. It's gotta be a path I missed. Yeah, see, I can't even get to that one area I really want to get to. I'm low on power, too. So we're just gonna get there. There's a stock bark. Maybe I can use this for power. Oh, that was the thing I exploded. I see. Go through the forest again. Yeah, we'll go through the forest. Pick up more shrill sacks. Because these are, like, honestly life-saving. I guess if I just pick up more of the shrill stocks, we can just deal with all that. Do you think there's more this way unless the path gets blocked again? We can try to be brave, I think. Deal with that lovely, lovely area there. I might pick up that thing I did have there. Little animal thing. I guess what I'll do is I'll pick it up. Because I think I needed those nest workers, if I recall. Okay, well, we might as well try out the really spooky area. And then we'll call it, I think. Okay, the only way to get through this. Because we almost need these two. Bloom fan. Pale, delicate fans that feed on the bloom by filtering it through their bodies using catalytic dust to counter its toxicity. I'm naming these bloom fans when we finally get out of this place. Okay. Metal traces. Press remains of equipment. What was she doing here? Silt piles in the rest holes of the rock shelves Forming a rare shelter of life. Gonna grab. Oh my goodness. This so stresses me out. Good grief. Okay, we're gonna grab more. Because these little things are super helpful. Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh, does it just like reset my entire progress over here? Oh no, it's different. Crystal cylinders. Oh, nope, I didn't want to do that. Whoops. Totally burning through our oxygen. Nest workers. Sphere fragment. Okay, they give him extra power. Not so much oxygen. Sphere fragment. An ornate mineral ore honeycombed with oxygen bubbles. Interesting. Need to find more of those filtering fans. The real horror. Oh, very... Have to be exceptionally careful. I do like how everything kind of changes when you're in the toxic area. Alright, we're gonna do this. Come on. Oh, this is where I got to last time. It's like either I go a little bit north or I go a little south again. More sphere fragments. Oh, that's what these guys will be used for. Okay. So those are those little guys. Okay, so there's a thing for Menide a while back. So these I can use. Create little pockets. Rock shelf. And then I will use... some metal traces. Oh, there's it is. Seems too close to the way stations. If it were to shrink, any foothold we have in the Screen Desert would be lost. Crystal cylinders. Nesting creatures. This way station would have been a pain to build. Finally, a way station. With this active, we can call for retrieval all across the bloom. Useful when we run low on oxygen. Open the terminal and we can resupply and see if Minai left any map data around here. Sync complete. Data released to pilot's console. Okay, I've got her logs here and a lot of trips back and forth between here and a laboratory. That means she must have set up a remote lab somewhere deeper into the bloom. She spent months making trips to it, ferrying some materials from elsewhere in the bloom to there. She was studying something important to her. We have to find that lab. I'll log the coordinates in the drive map when we get back to the base. Well, we found our way back. And we found some more secrets. As it turns out, if you're bad with directions, this game is not for you, because I get lost very easily. Okay, well... Hey, are you back with me? Yep. Good. I wanted to ask you about the bloom. I've been trying to understand what is causing it. Seems unlikely that we are looking at a stable ecosystem. It has to be a unique event. And yet creatures have rapidly and effectively adapted to these conditions. How is that possible? There's something we aren't seeing. Something Minai was investigating too. Do you think she knows something that we don't? Maybe. She has to. Maybe she's holed up in the lab mentioned in the map data waiting for us. Let's find that lab. I agree. Let's see if we can analyze any of these. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's still so much to research over here. Oh, God. Interesting. Laminas complete. Bivalve bloom vein. Bloomfam taxonomy. Can we analyze this? Alright. We're definitely gonna need these. Definitely gonna need that. Taxonomy. After being lucky enough to come across an entire bloom vein shell, analysis has provided some possible explanation for the creature's neurotoxin resistance. The shell itself was found to have radial patterns of tiny holes in certain areas, all of which were found to have high concentration of the bloom neurotoxin. Seems that when the bloom vein is in a hidden resting state, it exudes the neurotoxin through its shell, processing the glucose in the bloom growths separately. This exuded neurotoxin coats the bloom vein shell and the surrounding area, making the creature potentially deadly to any predator. This adaptation to the bloom is therefore a highly effective defense mechanism, even if the bloom vein itself is constantly on the edge of frenzied neurotoxin-induced death. Bloom fan. Close analysis of the fan shows that the fan's catalyst of the bloom's microbes and massively increasing their oxygen production to the point where the cells themselves are torn apart by oxygen that bubbles up from within them. This is why bloom fins can be heard to be fizzing when in close proximity, and suggests that oxygen is the primary nutrient that the fans acquire from filtering. Interestingly, this analysis suggests that the bloom's microbes are oxygen producing by nature and may be a form of algae. It's only their sheer density of blocking their access to sunlight, which means that they no longer produce oxygen but instead choke and poison the ocean. Meanwhile, it seems unlikely that the fans live on oxygen alone. What other nutrient sources might the bloom fans use to support themselves? Curious. Oh god. Well, I haven't had a need of too many of these shell sacs, but you never know. Oh wait, did I find everything that was there? No. There's definitely stuff I'm missing. Bloom froth, bloom fan. Ooh. Oh boy. It's kind of spooky. Worn fragment. Toxic waters. Rose clump the eaten away dents in the rock floor. Interesting. Sampling available. Toxic water. Metal debris. Abandoned base. Quiet clearing. Clearer than elsewhere in the bloom. Metal traces. Gonna use another one of these. Wonder. Let's analyze the samples back at the base. Oh, it's less toxic down here. All glassy and sickly green in the light of the suit's headlamps. Metal seal. Corroded into the tunneled mouth. The seal is stuck fast. The only way would be to cut straight through. It's sealed shut. Did Minaya do this? It looks older. This has been here a long time. Well, we can't go through. I wonder if that's why I can't do anything with it. Toxic waters, rock outcrop. Wonder if I can go back this way and... Burn hole. I can do this. Oh my god, I was struggling to pick that up. Alright. The bloom has burnt deeper into the rock, revealing strangely smooth surfaces like the inside of an oyster shell. Hmm. Filtering fan. There is a bloom lab here. This place was pressurized at some point. It must have taken months of work. Just weeks of corrosion for it to fall into ruin. Looks like Minai was gathering those mineral skeletons and studying them. What secrets have you uncovered, Minai? How were these strange silicone spheres worth all of this? Nesting weavers. I'll call these weavers. For those beautiful nests and bubbles that they weave. What we do without them. I think what we'll do is we'll just anticipate a retrieval. Just in case. Can we analyze things? Multiple. They kind of look like Nautilus. Close analysis of the fan disk shows that the fans catalyze the bloom's microbes into massively increasing their oxygen production to the point that the cells... we read this, didn't we? Nesting weavers. Iridescent and translucent are difficult to observe individually due to their size and speed. Each nest is a hive of activity, as is the fizzing skin of the bubbles that protect them, which the weavers carefully maintain. What are they protecting? Shown that each large bead... Just curious. Okay. Do we have anything? I don't think so. I think we're still... Generator's active. Still have much to find. Nesting Weaver. It's actually kind of wild. Well, I think what I will do is I will call it here since we're finally at a really safe area. But it's very curious. We finally could get through the bloom and actually to the waypoint, which is a good thing because, oh gosh, I was so nervous the last time we did this. But now that we're actually here, we can actually explore so much more. Which is kind of fun. There's still so much. Like, the lore is so fascinating for this game. There's a ton going on. Oh boy. How many of us are here? Let's see if I could raid someone, maybe. I don't think I can. Anyways. It's very interesting. I'm enjoying this game. It's so neat. Anyways. I hope you guys have a good rest of your afternoon, morning, evening, whatever time zone you're in. And I hope you guys have a good one. Now, take care and take it easy, eh?